right? That's a good step into what we're trying to achieve. Now, the next one is this. Let's do the sticking with one color, right? Sticking with one color. So yeah, this color it is. And for this, with this, um, make the rest. I'm going to make this. Just cut that. Make the rest different shades of that color. These two should have that color. Then probably for beauty's sake, we'll just do this, right? We'll have to do that. So Ohio can be that. Oklahoma should be this. So this should be this. So I think we are done with that guide. It's for us to add some finishing touches. Like you can see that it's not fully square. It's a bit of a, it's not fully rectangle, it's a bit of a rounded rectangle. So how do we incorporate the rounded rectangle idea? Let us do that, right? So we go here, go to effects, visual border, rounded corners. So the visual border is going to be the same color as the background. Is that, light green, sort of. So you can see that if I click away, you can really see the rounded corner. But we don't want it to be too much, right? So you want it to just be like, let's say 10. Let's look at it and see. Yeah, that works. Then same way, paint, copy the formats and drop on each of them. Still gonna make this one effects. Background should be white. Visual border should be the same color. Stuff. Just give it 10%, 10 pixels. Same color as the background. And giving it 10 pixels. So there's no slicer. There's no way to see maybe what happened in a particular month, what happened in a particular year, things like that. So let us include that in our, let's just include the slicer. So simply just see the slicer here. My other data, I'm gonna put my, yeah. First of all, I want to make the slicer in a drop-down style, right? Like this. So since it's only 1 year we're working with here, 2017, I think I want to put it in months, but quarter before months. So you can see they can drop down and filter for the different quarter and months that they want to see for. Then that works for me. And are we working with that? No, don't do anything like that. So I'm gonna, for the title, I'm gonna be like, for the header, I want to be like, select quarter. Yeah, and this works for me. honestly. If it's me you're asking. That's a good job.